what's wrong.
All right. How you doing? This is AJ and this is Steve here. I don't know if you remember us, but we came into your establishment. It's Tiara.
Bugging you while you're working.
Bugging you while you was working, doing somebody's fancy feet and nails. Hey, but what I wanted to do is tell you, like, what we do is we kind of look at your website and kind of some things here. I'm going to let Steve go first on this one so he can kind of tell you some things, and then I'll come back in and show you what I can help you with that stuff. Steve, why don't you take it away?
All right. I haven't really looked too much on your website, but I can kind of go through I'll just wing it. No. I've done this a lot, so I kind of know what to look for. So the first thing I notice is, you have this big picture here, so people are going to have to kind of scroll down to look for information and stuff. You want the phone number here. On the smaller screens, it doesn't show up. On a bigger screen, I noticed it did show up here, the phone number. But you kind of want your phone number like right up in the top, real big, and your hours of operation, address, all that stuff, like right there in people's face. So when they just log into it, they can see it and don't have to scroll and look for it everywhere or click around. And so I do like your little menu on the side. I do like the pictures, very visual, and that's great. It's all about visual today, and so did notice in the gallery, I didn't know if you wanted all these pictures even, but this last one's kind of uneven, but no big deal. Just a little, it's a little bit, but this is a little tidbits here, but they aren't important actually, just because people are like, oh, they don't, this is kind of got a cheap site or whatever, but it's not, so it's a really good site, I think. Some of this is kind of hard to read sometimes if it's got a clashing background, maybe, sometimes for people with, bad eyesight like me, AJ here,
and me,
we just kind of, it's hard for us to read some of that.
I always look at stuff where if my eyes are bad, I know the next person's eyes is bad too.
Yeah. So,
and sometimes people are looking for, hey, you got my glasses? You got a pair of glasses? So if you make it big enough where you ain't got to look at glasses. Better.
No, but I love the looks of the site. It's really modern and really clean looking. I noticed the map's not working here. So, I mean, it looks like it shows right there, but they can't really click around. I mean, it's dragging and stuff, but I don't know what's going on with the map. That thing pops up, but I haven't really clicked around here yet, but look at the rest of the site. I'm sure there's some stuff, but the main thing is if you want to draw some business in, you want to get your social media like just in their face, Facebook, right. Twitter. I know you got your Yelp review over here, your Yelp page or whatever, which is good. You want to get the other ones though, just to bring in some more business and get the YouTube, get some more videos, get some videos of you, like maybe we can come in there and film a video interacting with customers, kind of just get a feel for the place, and people feel more at home, just come in there and more comfortable and stuff. So, but I haven't really clicked around on all the links, but those are just some of the little things that we could do for you. And if you want to do them, you can. But we're more than happy to do it for you for a good price. I mean, we're pretty competitive on our stuff, so I think that's pretty much it for now for the website. So don't want this to go on too long. So I know you're probably pretty busy, so let AJ take it over again. So.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, this won't be too long. What I do is what we do anyway is we do the video stuff, but we also help you with a little consultant. So we help you with some things. A lot of businesses that we go talk to, some of them could use some money. They're probably 30 days of being out of business, so sometimes the working capital could actually help them. So what we have here is a cash buoy product. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to get cash, no collateral, bad credits, okay, cash within 24 hours. People do like that, so that's a benefit there for you. It's pretty simple. Just get us 3 bank statements of your credit card processing, and we can check that out for you, help you get a loan on that. Simple, quick, transparent terms there. We can go as low as $250, $2,500 up to $250,000, and that'd be no credit score required, and no industry is excluded, 3 months bank statements, and, at least, $5,000 a month and stuff like that. So we help you with that. Also, it's a little consulting thing if you need that. But also another thing we do is help you get free, no credit card processing fees.
How does that work? How does that?
Now, a lot of times when, let's say if you have $1,000, and I'm sure you understand this, when you have $1,000 from you that comes into your business, if you swipe that credit card, people don't realize, but when you swipe that credit card money takes 3 months before it actually gets to the bank. So there's a second person that comes in and intervenes that and gives you that money right away. So now that guy's waiting for that money in 3 months, he's going to charge you because now he's got to wait for his money. So therefore, you can get charged. So if it's $1,000 that you take in, and you're going to get maybe, $800 or $850, or $900, that's still money that's coming from you that you have to give to someone else so you can get your credit card things. So our basic is if you're, paying out $1,000 or whatever you may be, people are paying, $1,000, $1,500, $2,500, $3,500, maybe even up to $7,000.
Yeah.
It all depends on how much volume that they take in, and then based off of that, we go in and try to lower that. And we got ones where we got most of our clients paying anywhere from $80 to anywhere from $10 to $80 a month on the credit card fees. Right there.
This program.
Right. And all it requires is you to get your statements. But a lot of times when people hear this, they say, oh, somebody already told me that, right here. Here's the drill. If you get us the information, then we'll bring it over to you or email it to you, just bring it out to you and show you what we can actually save you, how much money you can actually put back in your pocket. And what if I'm saying it's true? What if I could put $3,500 back in your pocket a month? That's your pure profit. You sign that by 12 months. What can you do with that money? So just kind of think about that. That's what we can do for you. But yeah, so we're here to help you, not sell you. It says here 3 months bank statements. We're going to send you all this information. Hey, what's your rates? You can't really tell the rates because there's a lot of things in here that comes into a lot of things, and people don't really realize that. But they say, well, I can give you 2% or 1%. Not really true, but they get you that for a little while, and then when you start looking at it later, it goes up. But this is about done. We're into 7 minutes. Sorry, I didn't want to take so long, but we're kind of hyped because we just saw the Chiefs, save themselves. That was actually a pretty good game. But that's all we got for now. Steve, you got anything else to say?
No, I mean, we're just here to help you. So, I mean, not everybody that you don't see anybody in other credit card processing. If you need help, questions, or anything coming to you, to help you out, we're here to just work with you one-on-one on everything and help you out through the process.
Right. So watch this video. If you got any questions, that's cool. If you know anybody who needs a loan, I'm sure you know other business owners that could probably use a loan, just give us a call. And that's all we got. That's 7:44 minutes. Woo, that's a long time.
Better stop,
Sorry, Miss Tiara. We'll talk to you later. Ciao.
Go Chiefs. Yeah.